How to fix Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting issue on any Android phone. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your device. In Settings, click on Wi-Fi and Network. In here, click on Wi-Fi at the top. After that, click on the gear icon beside your connected Wi-Fi. Then scroll down in here and click on Network Uses. Make sure it's detect automatically. After you've clicked on it, go back to the settings. In here, scroll down and click on Battery. Click on Battery Saver and make sure your battery saver is turned off. Then, if it still does not fix your problem, what you can do is go back to the main page of settings again. Scroll down and click on System. After you click on System, click on Reset Options. After you have clicked on Reset Options, in here you'll find Reset Wi-Fi Mobile and Bluetooth. Click on it. Then press on Reset. It will reset Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth, and you're good to go. This is how to fix Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting issue on any Android phone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. For more, got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.